Hi guys, if you want to practice placing the trades during backtesting, FX Replay is going to let you simulate the real trade execution directly on the chart. So if you want to try it for yourself, there is a 15% discount link in the description box below. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can place the trades here step by step. So first of all, you need to come here on fxreplay.com and then you just have to simply create your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are here inside the backtesting chart of yours, you are going to see the buy and the sell buttons here in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. So over here, first of all, you need to use these arrows or you need to use these sections in order to basically enter the amount of quantity that you want to basically place for this particular order. Now, as per your trade analysis or as per your backtesting strategy, you need to simply place the buy and the sell order. So as you can see, I've placed the buy order over here. So now we have the TP and the SL information available. So you just have to set the SL and you need to set the TP just like so. Afterwards, if you want to make changes into it, you just have to double click on the quantity and now you can make changes into the stop loss or into the take profit. Now when you are done, you just have to simply tap on the option of the play button, and when it start playing, the chart is starting playing, it will show whether it is a hit or miss. So as you can see, that's how you can basically buy and sell over here, and you will see your account balance and the realized PNL in the bottom. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.